Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Today we are dealing with the topic duality principle. What is the duality and the procedure of duality problems that we will discuss here. So, what is the duality in LPP? The LPP will exist in the page. That means the linear programming problem is having the maximization and at the same time minimization. That means whenever we are solving the problem or whenever we are taking into the consideration of the problem, that is maximization, there is a consequently it is associated with minimization also. Then let us see, we will take a some example for the explanation of this. That means suppose a person is went to the doctor. A person is went to the doctor. He is maybe a patient for some disease. So whenever the patient went to the doctor will may list out the some prescription in the prescription with of some medicine. So the patient mind is to be in the position of minimization of the cost. That means he is having a list of medicines, but the cost of overall medicines which are in the prescription is to be very minimum. And at the same time, the seller, that means who is selling the medicine to the patients, the medical shop person, he used to maximize his profit. So the patient is to be in a position that the cost of the overall medicine is to be minimized, but the medical shop person is wants to be maximizing the profit. So in the single manner, that means the entire thing is based on the medicine only. So the customer is taking the medicine and the seller is giving the medicine. That means here the item is same, it is the medicine, but who is selling, he used to use maximizing profit, who is taking out, that is solding, he used to that minimum cost. So there is a conversely association with every minimization problem is to be of maximization problem, and at the same time the objective of the customer is minimization for the medicine, and at the same time the shop medical shop person he wants to sell as many of medicines for maximizing the profit. So the maximization and minimization has a some relation, so either by vice versa also. Then coming to here, the linear programming problem, what we are getting here, that is called, originally it is called it as a primal, and the derived problem is called a dual problem. Let us see how the systems will be. Okay, so here also the problem will be explained here. The patient is the primal problem. The patient is the primal problem. That means we are going to study the objective function in the we are going to study the objective function from the patient point of view. From the patient point of view. What is the patient point of view? He used to minimize the cost, minimize cost, overall medicine. His problem is to minimize the cost. But what is the tonics or medicines which are available in the medical shop? So the medical shop person, he wants to maximize his sales, isn't it? So the objective of patient is minimize cost. The objective of medical shop person is to maximize sales. So here in the single content we are having minimization and at the same time maximization. So the problem of medical shop person is dual problem. Medical shop person is dual problem. So we are getting a single problem, but we are transforming into dual problem. So from the point of patient, it is original. It is minimization cost. When it is comes to the problem of medical shop person, the same problem will be as maximization sales. So this we will call it as a dual problem. So we can directly convert the original to, that means the primal equation to dual equation. Then how the primal equation will be and how we need to change it to dual problem. Let us see, this is the original problem. That means if you see up to now we have discussed so many problems by solving simplex method, graphical method, big M method and two-phase method also. These are the four methods we have discussed till now. This is the last one is the dual simplex method or duality principles method. The original problem called primal and conversion is called dual. So how we need to change the things? How we need to change the thing? So in the original, what is the problem or what is the objective function? That is minimization z is equals to 3a plus 2.5b. This is the original one and subjected to the constraint. What are the constraints? 2a plus 4b greater than or equal to 40 and 3a plus 2b greater than or equal to 50 and both a and b are greater than or equal to 0. See here, there is a small remembering one thing is for minimization problem, you always remember for duality problems. Always you remember for the duality problems. For minimization objective function, the constraints, always constraints is to be greater than or equal to 0. For minimization objective function, all the constraints should be greater than or equal to 0. Here the greater than or equal to symbol is there. Here greater than or equal to symbol is there. If anotherwise, if there is no presence of greater than or equal in any of these, you just convert them to some other. Suppose, suppose let it for the example. If we are having here as less than or equal to symbol, and here probably greater than or equal to symbol is there, then how to convert it for the minimization? In the problem, we need to see the constraints are all are greater than or equal to 0 or not. I mean greater than or equal to symbol is there or not. When greater than or equal to 0 means the symbol of representation greater than or equal symbol is there or not. If they are not presented, we need to convert it them. Actually, what is the symbol we are having here? Let it be less than or equal. Then we need to change it to greater than or equal by multiplying negative. That means, so this is the constraint we need to put it out here when less than or equal to symbol is presented in the any of the position of constraint, we need to multiply with negative sign on both the sides. So this is now as usually there is no changes here. 3a plus 2b greater than or equal to 50. This is the exact objective functions and constraints. If the primal problem may be maximization, So we can't say whether it is a maximization or a minimization in the primal problems. This is the original problem. Is there any changes means for the same problem, but only the objective function is changed to maximization? If it is the maximization in primal problem, we need to put out the constraints all are of less than or equal to symbol. Whatever may be the condition, maximization means less than or equal to symbol, minimization means greater than or equal to symbol in all the constraints for dual principal problems only. Then డ్యుయాలిటీ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లో ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏదైతే ప్రైమల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఎప్పుడూ కూడా మినిమైజేషన్ అని ఇస్తే కన్స్ట్రైంట్ అన్నీ కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఉండాల్సిందే. అలా కాకుండా ప్రైమల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో మ్యాక్సిమైజేషన్ కానీ ఇస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఉండే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫంక్షన్ మ్యాక్సిమైజ్ అని కానీ ఇస్తే ద కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి, లెస్ దాన్ సింబల్ తోనే ఉండాలి. Then coming to solving, so here firstly we need to solve the primal to dual. How to frame up the primal to dual? It is a very simpler technique. So what is the primal? You just quietly opposite to that. So firstly, what is the primal here? Minimization. What is an opposite to minimization? That is maximization. Maximize z equal to, and at the same time, what are the constraints we are having? Constraints. There is a easiest method for primal to dual. There is a table is there. If you observe those table, it is very easier to think. The objective function what we are having here in the primal, that will be go for the right hand side of constraints. And what are the right hand side of the constraints we are having, that will be go for the objective function. See here, ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో దట్ ఈస్ 3 and 2.a, అవి ఎలా వస్తాయి, దేనికి వస్తాయి, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అటు సైడ్ కి, ఐ మీన్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ కి ఆ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ లో రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అది ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫంక్షన్ గా మారిపోతుంది. సి దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇండికేషన్, ఈజియెస్ట్ వే. సో 40x plus 50y subjected to maximization. సో మ్యాక్సిమైజేషన్ అని రాగానే ఏం రావాలి, లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్ రావాలి. ఆ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పక్కన ఏం చెప్పాను, మినిమైజేషన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ దగ్గరికి, కన్స్ట్రైంట్ లో ఉండేటివి ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫంక్షన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, 3 and 2.5. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే కన్స్ట్రైన్ లో వర్టికల్ గా ఉన్నాయో, వర్టికల్స్, అది హారిజాంటల్ గా మారుతుంది. ఐ మీన్ 2x plus 3y. నెక్స్ట్ ఇవి రెండు సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోతాయి, 4x plus, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ న్యూ కాబట్టి x, y ఆర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. బట్ ఇందాక ఏదైతే కన్స్ట్రైంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ మీన్స్ ఏబి, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏబినే కన్స్ట్రైంట్స్ నాన్ నెగటివ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ అయినా ప్లేసప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఫర్ ఈజీ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్. సో వీ నీడ్ టు షో అప్ ది డిఫరెన్స్. We are putting the x and y instead of a and b. So both are same, but we are changing the objective function with some decision variables. So try to make a difference of dual problem variables. So in the minimization, if the problem of objective function variables is a, b, for duality we need to note this is called dual. For duality, you just mention x and y. Suppose minimization objective function having 3x plus 2.5y, you just make another symbol, uh, just like a and b or x1, x2, x3. So you just make the difference from primal to dual, since here the decision variables are changing. Okay, then here a table will show us the actual summary regarding the primal and the dual. See here, what is the primal we are having? Primal is, if the primal is maximum, if the primal is maximum, then what about the dual? Minimization. Here, the primal is minimum. What about the dual? It is maximization. So one thing is over. Then the objective function. What is the objective function we are having? In the primal, what is the objective function that will be transferred to the transfer? So what is the objective function in the primal? See here, 3a plus 2.5b. So those are transferred to there in the constraints right hand side. Those are transferred to right hand side of constraint. Then what are the right hand side of the constraints? What are the right hand side of the constraints? 40 and 50. They are coming to the objective function. See, 3, 2.5 as transferred to right hand side. And what are the constraints we are having? Primal right hand side, those are transferred to objective function, that is 40, 50. Here 40, 50. Then okay, then ith row of input output coefficients will be transferred to ith column of input output coefficients. So what is the here, what is the condition? Ith row of, so ith row is transferred to ith column. See, 2a plus 4b, this is a row. These are transferred to what? Here in the dual, 2x and 4x. Okay, so ith row is transferred to ith column. This is the ith column. Sorry, this ith row is transferred to ith column. And at the same time, in the same way, jth row, same both, jth row is transferred to jth column, isn't it? Jth column. And then last one. What is the relations of inequalities? When it is less than or equal to, you put there greater than or equal, or greater than or equal to less than or equal. That is the vice versa. So for easy understanding, minimization problems, objective function minimization will always having greater than or equal, and maximization will always having less than or equal. So then this is our problem. So the dual problem is the new problem for the solving. Then if you see, this is the solving method to primal, sorry, from primal to dual. Now how to solve this problem? So you know that the maximization. Now let us take it as a LPP. This is the solve the LPP by which method is very easier to solve this. So if you see, the number of constraints is 2, and at the same time number of variables is 2. So number of variables is 2. Then which method is very easier? Graphical. Okay, and at the same time, here there is a symbol of less than or equal to. So less than or equal to there means that is simplex. So if you are having a little bit of time, if you are having a little bit of time in the examination, you may go for graphical, but actually we need to solve these dual problems in the simplex method only. Simplex method only. So most of the cases you try to do the operations in simplex method. Is there any time delay or time is very less means you may go for the graphical method. So after getting of the dual problem, you just try to go for simplex method only. Okay, most of the cases, that's why we have chosen that either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. No other alternative of the equations will be presented in the dual problems. So this is the variation. Then one more example for doing this. So let us be practice it. What is the minimization? What is the primal we are having? This is the primal. What is the primal? Just to see the primal maximization. So what is the maximization means? Dual will be minimization. Okay. Then what are the right hand side of? See, right hand side of constraints is your objective function. What is the objective function? 2500. So here we are using xy. So we may use x1 y1, sorry, x1 x2, no problem. Something different from the primal. X2 plus 500 x3. Then in the same problem, if you see what are the constraints we are having here, 10x, that means ith row, 10x plus 6y, that will be coming to the ith column. So 10x1 next in the below 6x1. So here I am considering x1, x2, x3, or otherwise we can choose a, b, c also. Okay, then see 10x1. Next, what is the ith column, or otherwise we can choose it as ith column will be changed to ith row. So ith column means 10x1 plus 5x2 plus 1x3 is greater than or equal to, since the dual is the minimization, so greater than or equal to 23, and at the same time 6x1 plus 10x2 plus 2x3 greater than or equals to 32. So in this way we are converting the primal to the dual problems. So after getting the dual problems, you know the method to solve those things by simplex. So then we may proceed to the simplex method. So this is the duality principle methods. So the conversion of duality principle will be like this. Okay, then we may go for the next topic called transportation models in the next class. Okay, thank you.